VU, India's one of the best television company, has been launched VU Premium 2020 models in March 11, 2020. From that we are going to unbox the 50-inch TV and let's see the first impression, price and also the other two variants launched in it. Hey there, this is Sam and you are watching Techie Sam. Let's get started. This TV is a 2020 model of VU Premium series. It is launched in three variants such as 43-inch, 50-inch and 55-inch, which is the one we are going to unbox in this video. All three models comes within 4K, UltraHD, HDR10. In the box itself, we can notify that it have Google Assistant, Chromecast, Dolby and DTS are all built in. By opening the box, we get us two table mounting stands which are packed in two different colors. After that, we have been reviewing the thermocol top protection. Here we get the television unit itself. If you are unboxing an bigger size TV by yourself, it is advisable to lift by couple of people by holding both the corners of the TV. It could be the safest method to follow. #pro tip. After taking out the TV from the box, we are getting the wall mounting kit. It is great to have the wall mounting kit included in the TV box itself. After that, there was a remote, user manual, warranty guide is over there. That's all. Oh, just wait. We get something important in it. That's a 2 AAA batteries which is going to power your remote control. So the overall box content is table mounting stands, screws for that, remote and battery, warranty card and user manual and the wall mounting kit. Next we are going to table mounting the TV by placing its left and right stand with its appropriate places. Each stand has couple of screws and a place fixing knob for it. Ports. This VU Premium have all the important input and output ports by seeing it one by one as audio video port called as AV in short, digital audio output, RJ45 used for LAN internet connectivity, 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI ports, one of it has audio return channel such as ARC, 3.5mm headphone jack included in the TV itself. Finally, it has an input line for the classic antenna or a cable connection. In the view of wireless connectivity, it have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. To be exact, Bluetooth 5.0 and supports for Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz. In this television, the first thing get attract us by seeing it itself, the 4K Ultra HD HDR10 panel, great viewing angle, good colors, bright and detailed. As per audio, the first impression of 30-watt speaker produces loud as well as crisp sound along with its DTS effect. By viewing it in software aspect, this is an Android certified smart TV. Comes with the latest Android TV version of Android 9 Pie. Also, it's certified for the built-in apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar and Google Play. This TV equipped with an quad-core processor, 16GB Intel memory and a 2GB RAM. For a smart TV concern that is well enough to run day-to-day usage apps and games too. The launching price of this TVs are 43-inch sales at 25,000, 50-inch at 28,000 and the 55-inch TV which is we are unboxing here is 32,000. The all three TV variants are available in Flipkart. The best buy links for these TVs are in the description box. Please check them. If you are buying from those, it will be helpful for the growth of our channel. Soon we will be coming with a full review of this TV by using it in all of its aspects. Stay tuned for that. If you really felt that this video is useful, then like it. If you want to ask anything about it, feel free to comment it. Any of your friends or family are going to buy a new TV, or if you feel knowing about this TV would be helpful for them, then share this video with them. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.